Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to remove threads from Instagram bio, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove the threads from Instagram bio, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here guys, at the bottom right corner of your screen you can see the small profile picture icon in a small circle at the bottom right. Tap on there, and over here guys, on this interface you can see there is the edit profile at the middle section of the screen, just below the professional dashboard. Tap on that edit profile button, and over here guys, scroll down, you can see there is the threads badge option available for us, and if you tap on the toggle icon at the right side of it, the threads will be removed from your Instagram bio, and this way you will be able to remove the threads from Instagram bio. And there guys, this is how to remove the threads from Instagram bio. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.